Capture more business from your existing customers by adding SmartCompliance to your product line. SmartCompliance cabinets, VanBag, and the Safety Hub app make it easy for your route reps to service customers. The lightweight SmartCompliance VanBag easily fits into the back of any delivery van. The First Aid Only VanBag holds up to 18 refill cartridges and comes with 30 different options to fit your customers' needs. The fold-down flap allows for quick and easy access to refills and comes with a see-through window for easy viewing of cartridge labels. Manage your customers' cabinets and your route rep's VanBag with First Aid Only's free Safety Hub app. When inventory's running low, simply pull a refill box out of the VanBag and place it into the cabinet. Use the Safety Hub app to mark that the cabinet was checked and record which items were replenished. Back at the office, your First Aid administrator can maintain and monitor your First Aid business with Safety Hub's back-end management portal. The Safety Hub app offers free reporting tools so administrators know the inventory levels of their customers' cabinets and VanBags. Finally, a First Aid solution complete with a full restocking system that's easy to use. For more information, contact your regional sales manager today.